calculation. Hey guys, welcome back. Subs and Paws, YouTube. What's going on today, guys? So we're gonna bring you another dyno video today. JBL GTX500. I'm gonna open the box. I'm gonna show you the amp. I'm gonna show you the inputs on the amp. Let's get into it. All right. So the amp is solidly made. I want to add that just right from the top. This amp is super solid made. There's also a surprise in here that I've never seen any amplifier come with. I haven't even seen it. I'm sure they exist. I'm sure you can buy them. While I'm at it, let me just get it and show you. So we all have RCAs on our amplifier. And this actually comes with two of them, two RCAs. Let's see if we can get that on the camera there. So this is the RCA adapter. It has little teeny screws right there. Boom, boom, two screws. And those are plus and minus right there. Plus and minus. Little teeny speaker wire can go in there. It looks like maybe 12, 14 gauge will go in there. And it comes with two of these, along with a couple of fuses in case you blow one of the fuses. But these things go right in the side of the amp into the RCAs. And if you were running speaker wire, instead of RCAs, you could run your speaker wire right into this amp, into these adapters, and you would be using the RCA adapters with your speaker wire ran straight into the amplifier. So that's the amp. We're going to put this on the dyno in a minute. Alright. So both of these end caps come off. I'm not going to take them off right now. So it's very basic. You got two fuses. 25 amp, 50 amps total. You got one spot for your sub, one speaker output. You got your ground, your remote, your 12 volt. Looks to be, I want to say you can squeeze some 4 gauge in there. Squeeze some 4 gauge. That might even be pushing it. The 4 gauge might not even fit in. If they're brand new strands, it might fit in with brand new strands. So you got your bass, your frequency, your gain, and your input level, and your RCAs. And that's the amp there on its side. Alright, and I already showed you these guys. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you throw me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like the video down below. Go and subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss any future videos, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace! Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to be doing the 2 ohm test on the JBL GTX500. We're going to start off at 50 hertz. See what we can pull for power. 94, 95 watts. Alright, so we're going to go to 40 hertz. 40 hertz. Let's see what we get for power.
3, 2, 1.
A little bit more. A little bit more. See if we can give it a little bit more power. So we're roughly 120 at 40 hertz, 95 at 50 hertz. We're going to do 30 hertz.
3, 2, 1.
107. All right. Now we're going to do a musical 511. Oh, this thing's rocking. Now this is 32 hertz and up. All right. So we'll be right back with our next test. Hey guys, welcome back. So we should be wired at 1 ohm now. I don't know why this thing always says the wrong ohms on it. So here we go. We're going to start off. We're going to do the same test we did last time. 50 hertz, 40 hertz, 30 hertz, and then we're going to do a song simulation.
3, 2, 1.
So we saw 155 there. Let's try 40 hertz now.
2, 1.
So a little bit more power. Got a little bit more power. Still sitting at 1.9 ohms, 233 watts. All right, and 30 hertz.
3, 2, 1.
285. All right, so we're gonna a 1,000 watts, guys. I saw 1,088 there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Throw that thumbs up, guys! This thing is a beast. 886. Oh, we just cut out there. It must have dropped too low. Yeah, I dropped it down a little bit. All right, we're gonna try one more song test. Alright guys, if you haven't already guys, make sure you throw that thumbs up. Throw that thumbs up guys. We saw 1,000 watts there. We'll see you back in a moment. Alright guys, well if you saw that video like I saw that video, this thing was pumping out some crazy power. I saw almost 1,200 watts like you saw. 1,200 watts. It was a burp, but it got there. It was doing regular around between, between 400 and 800 watts, jumping up and back and forth. So it was really, depending on the ohms and depending on how high it was going up and down, it was really pumping. And like I said before, guys, I run these things not even to clipping. So if you were to go to clipping or dynamic power, you're probably going to get even more power out of any of the amplifiers that I demo. Because I don't try to blow any speakers, I don't even push it close enough to that. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you throw me that thumbs up guys, show some support. Down below that, subscribe to the channel guys, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you guys soon. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace!